और आपको बताएं कि महाराष्ट्र और दिल्ली ही सिर्फ नहीं है जहां कोरोना के मामले बढ़ रहे हैं। तमिलनाडु अगला नंबर है। आपको बताया जो यहाँ कोविड के मामले बहुत तेजी से यहाँ बढ़ रहे हैं। बीते एक दिन में राज्य में 4000 के करीब मामले सामने आए। इनमें से करीब 1500 या कह लें कि 37% मामले तो सिर्फ अकेले चेन्नई से सामने आए हैं। चेन्नई में 5 महीने के बाद इस समय 10,000 से ज्यादा एक्टिव मामले हैं। इस समय चेन्नई में कुल 10,685 एक्टिव मामले हैं, जिनमें से 1400 के करीब मामले बीते 24 घंटे में सामने आए हैं। स्थानीय प्रशासन के लिए सबसे बड़ी चुनौती ये है कि आम जनता को कोविड के संक्रमण को रोकने के लिए बनाए गए नियमों को तोड़ने से रोके। बुधवार को ही मद्रास हाईकोर्ट ने राज्य में कोरोना के हालात पर चिंता व्यक्त की थी। और हमारे सहयोगी मुगलन इस वक्त हमारे साथ लाइव जुड़े ज्यादा अपडेट लेकर। मुगलन, व्हाट एल्स यू कैन टेल अस?
Once again, we are seeing at least in last 40 days, the numbers have rise sharply, and specifically in Chennai, the major contributor being Chennai, and maximum number of cases on a daily basis also being reported from Chennai. So as numbers are coming in, more numbers from Chennai once again, now the Chennai Corporation have intensified their efforts and their measures to contain the spread of COVID virus infection. Earlier there was elections underway, and we have seen the man-force of Chennai Corporation was diverted for those activities. As now the election have come to an end, now the Chennai Corporation have once again started focusing on the COVID control measures. Yesterday more than 1,400 cases was reported, and more importantly, after 5 months 10,000 active cases has been reported from Chennai alone. And now the Chennai Corporation is gearing up with various activities. They are trying to open up COVID centers to treat people with COVID virus infection as a part of their COVID control measure. Now they have started door-to-door surveillance, and here is the team. More than 12,000 people have been employed by the Chennai Corporation alone, and this is one of the door-to-door surveillance team. Along with this team, there will be a doctor, there will be a medical professional who will be going door-to-door, checking each and everyone at the residence, and if they have any symptoms, the ILI symptoms, influenza like symptoms or influenza-like influenza symptoms, they will be brought to a fever camp like this. In this fever camp, you can see there will be a mini medical setup, and there will be a doctor also, and that doctor, that medical professional will be checking that person there, and they will be asking about any difficulties what they have. And if they have any difficulties, the health difficulties, they will be then their RT-PCR samples will be taken. And you can see here in the visuals a person who have said that they have a small discomfort in health. Now he has been subjected to RT-PCR test. So the samples are being collected from these people, and after they will be asked to isolate at their residence, or if they have severe complications or severe symptom, they will be referred to COVID care center or any hospital here in Chennai. So as the numbers have now very sharply started going up, the Chennai Corporation have intensified their COVID control measures and efforts.
राइट मुगलन, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।